Hello everyone, this is Tapos Mukherjee and you are watching my educational channel enGmaT Academy 2.0. Here in this video we are going to learn the most important topic, how to change passive voice into active voice in English grammar. So let's dive in and start by identifying passive voice. The first step is to look for verbs that are in a passive state. These verbs are often in the form to be plus a past participle such as is made, was written, will be played, etc. When we see these verbs, it's likely that the sentence is in passive voice. The next step is to identify the doer of the action, who or what is performing the action described in the sentence. Once you have identified the doer, you can start to rephrase the sentence to make it active. For example, let's take the sentence, the ball was thrown by Ram. Who's the doer of the action here? Ram. So we can rephrase the sentence to make it active by saying Ram threw the ball. Another technique is to look for prepositional phrases that start with by. When we see by a sentence, it's often a sign that the sentence is in passive voice. For instance, in the sentence, the play was written by Shakespeare. The prepositional phrase by Shakespeare tells us that Shakespeare is the doer of the action. To make the sentence active, we can rephrase it to say Shakespeare wrote the play. Here I have given some examples for you. Let's look at these examples. Passive to active voice in English. A song is sung by Bappa. Here who does the verb, performs the verb? Bappa performs the verb sing. So it will be written as Bappa sings a song. Next, the fields are plowed by the farmers. Here the doer of the action are farmers. So the answer will be the farmers plow the fields. Number 3, sweets are liked by us. Answer, we like sweets. Number 4, the match was won by them. Answer, they won the match. 5, a brilliant century was made by you. Answer, you made a brilliant century. Number 6, a bird is being caught by the boy. Answer, the boy is catching a bird. Number 7, the sum has been worked out by Arnab. Answer, Arnab has worked out the sum. Okay.